Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Today we are going to discuss about the World Heritage Scholarship Program 2025. So this World Heritage Scholarship and International Residency is now open. So this scholarship is aimed for people who have a cultural ideas such as art, music, research, etc. related to UNESCO World Heritage List or interested to connect the World Heritage Site, Decorated Farmhouses of Hälsingland with one or more sites around the world in a cultural or artistic way. So this award consists of 4 weeks residency at one of Hälsingland listed decorated farmhouses and also include a scholarship of equivalent 50,000 SEK. SEK is the currency of Sweden to cover living and work expenses for a suggested project. The scholarship is international and can be applied by people from all over the world such as artists, researchers or other cultural actors. So the application will be accepted from 16 December 2024 to 16 February 2025. The World Heritage Scholarship is a residency that involves staying and living in one or two World Heritage farms for a period of 1 month. A grant of 50,000 SEK equivalent to carry out the idea project in question. So this program will be held in Sweden. So you can apply for this program. I'm going to apply for this program. Click on Residence Scholarship. So this is World Heritage Residence Scholarship that was established in 2018 by Regional Assembly in Govalborg. Scholarship is aimed for who have artistic ideas related to UNESCO World Heritage. So you can check here. This scholarship will include staying and living 50,000 and travel to and from Sweden and call at your disposal during the stay. You can apply between 16 December to February 16, 2025. World Heritage Decorated Farmhouses. So this is the application form for this World Heritage Decorated program. You have to complete this application form. After completing this application form, download and save this application form on your computer or other platform and send it together with your other PDF files to on this email address, that is World Heritage Scholarship @ So friends, that's very great opportunity. If you want to spend a month in Sweden and you meet the eligibility criteria, then you must apply on this scholarship program that is for researchers, artistic and other cultural actors. So you can check it and apply on the scholarship program and also share this video with your other friend and circle. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.